Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be the day that we're going to get this truck running. I've already been working at a few odds and ends things here. I got tools and I'm about to go back over there to her now, but the exhaust manifold stud should be here any minute. I'm not sure if today, today that I'm going to get it running, but maybe tomorrow, but you guys will see it in this video. So stay tuned and I'll show you guys what progress we've made. And we'll get this thing running for you. And one thing, if you guys notice, I'm always in the same sweater when I'm working on this truck. I kind of destroyed it with grease and oil the first time we worked on something. So I kind of just been wearing this so I don't mess up any of my clothes. And it is a balmy, like 20 something degrees out here right now. Actually, let me see. It is 39 degrees and it feels like 34. So we're gonna try to get this knocked out fairly quick. So you guys can tell we got the stainless studs in. Here's the nuts for them. We're gonna tighten those down once we get the exhaust manifold on. Ran into a problem and lost the gaskets, the exhaust gaskets, so we'll knock that out. Once James gets back, he had to go buy some from the parts store. So once those are here, we'll throw this manifold on, start putting the turbo together, and fire her up. Guys, here's where we're at. We got the steed speed manifold on with the studs and the gaskets, got the turbine housing on, got the actual downpipe connected. Now we're just going to the point where we got to bring the turbo in, put on the oil feed line and the oil drain. So I'm going to go to the bottom while James feeds it into the top. I'll put in the oil drain, which goes right, I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you probably can't, but there's where the oil drain goes, and then we should be done. Alright guys, we got the center section in, got the oil drain line installed, the oil feed line installed. Now we're going to put the compressor cover on with the hot side intercooler piping, and we'll show you guys that here in a second. Alright guys, the turbo is back together. She fought us a little bit with some intercooler piping fitting and all that stuff, but she is back in there looking good. And here's the first startup. Go ahead, James. Give her a shot. Yeah, buddy. Hell yeah. All right, boys, we got her started. We're having some key issues. This fob does not want to work, but the one without a fob works just fine. So, letting her warm up, then we'll go for a little ride. It just sounds so good. All right, guys, so went on a little test drive, didn't go as well. We broke down in the middle of the neighborhood. There is a button that's down there by the tunes, I guess the switch on the fly tune switch, and I pushed it. It's for the transmission. It's something with race or whatnot. We were parked when I pushed it. The truck died. There's a relay underneath the hood that is clicking like crazy. I'm not 100% sure what it is. I've already reached out to the previous owner slash builder of it to kind of touch base with him and see what it is, but towed the truck back to the house tonight. We're just gonna leave it, kind of walk away. We did get it running, as you guys seen. Everything went great on the running side of things. We were getting a little bit of like shuddering, and I think what it was a boost leak. One of the intercooler boots on the hot side, the one that goes to the intercooler, I tightened the one on the intercooler, but not the actual tubing itself. So I think that was one of our problems. And at first I thought that was the transmission shuddering, and it was actually just possibly a boost leak. So we'll address that next. But like I said, we got it running. Everything looks well. There's no like oil leaks or anything crazy like going on other than this transmission issue. And I kind of thought we might run into this, but anyways, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Got the truck running, got the turbo put in, as you guys seen, and now we're just gonna try to get the fine details ironed out and get this thing sold. So if you guys are interested, let us know in the comments. Obviously, I'll do a full walk around on the truck once we're done. But yeah, once again, appreciate you guys watching. You guys are freaking awesome. If you guys haven't already, get down there, like the video, subscribe to the video, and also turn on the notification bell. We're near 1,000 subscribers and we're almost there. So help push us over the ledge, and then we'll keep doing these awesome uploads. So once again, I appreciate each and every single one of you. Until then, we'll see you guys on the next upload. Have a good one.